How to hard reset Galaxy M07.
Step 1. Power the device off completely. Press and hold the volume down key and the power button together.
Step 2. Press and hold the volume up key and the power buttons at the same time.
Step 3. Once the recovery mode screen appears, release all buttons.
Further guide is available in the description below. Since the remaining steps are technical and complex, we have detailed them in an external blog post. Make sure the device has at least 50% battery or remains connected to power during the hard reset. After the hard reset finishes, disconnect any cables and let the phone sit for 30 to 60 seconds before use. Open the link in the description to continue and finish the hard reset process.